In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of productivity tools out there, you're not alone. But Zoho has a pretty comprehensive suite that can really streamline your work, so let's dive right in and make sense of it all. First, you'll want to hop over to Zoho's website. Simply open your browser and type in zoho.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage where all the magic begins. From this page, you can access the entire range of Zoho's offerings, but before you can get to all that, you need an account. So next, you'll want to click on the sign up button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page and stands out so it's easy to spot. Creating an account is straightforward, just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. If you're already a member, then just go ahead and sign in instead. Once you've got an account set up or have signed in, the next step is to explore what Zoho has to offer. Click on the Access Your Apps link, which will take you to a dashboard full of different applications that Zoho provides. Here's where you decide which tools align best with your needs. Whether it's CRM for managing customer relationships or books for invoicing and accounting, there's something for everyone. Once you've figured out which apps you're going to use, click on Access Zoho app. At this point, you should receive a verification email. Head over to your email inbox and find that email. Sometimes it sneaks into the spam folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your address and activate your account fully. After your account is verified, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform by following the onboarding tour or guide offered by the app. These guided tours are a fantastic way to get acquainted with the interface and understand the features you'll be using. Finally, don't forget to customize your account settings. Zoho allows you to tailor your data and settings according to your specific needs. This personal touch can make your workflow far more efficient. Once your settings are customized, you're all set to start managing your data and workflows using Zoho's suite of apps. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get started with Zoho. Feel free to experiment a little to find the best setup for your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.